All right, and the last is new shapes. You'll notice that on the AddPicto add-on, you'll see some basic shapes, numbers, border shapes, and paint border shapes. So what the heck are all of these things? So these are essentially basic shapes, as you see here, and the numbers are essentially numbers. There we go. And we have these two unique kinds of shapes. The first one is bordered shapes. So what you'll notice is that when I select a border shape, the gray area is where the image will be masked, and the black areas is where the background colors will show. So if I select this glasses, you'll notice that the color of the glasses is yellow, which is the background color, like so. Again, I could change the opacity to 50%. And then the image is where the glasses lenses are, like so. And again, if I were to select, let's say this one, you could see that again in the center is where the mask happens, and the outside is where the background color is applied. Now, if I click on Insert Picto, that will add that particular shape, like so. And then the last one is essentially a ping. So if I were to select, let's say this one, you can see that this is actually an iPhone with an image mask inside of it, which could be great for if you wanted to showcase, let's say, your application or different things within that phone. There you go. And again, you could do this for different devices like a monitor or a laptop or an iPad. Actually, I like that one. I'm going to insert that in. Okay, there we go. And then finally, we have the iWatch. Yeah, that looks nice. And insert. And as you can see that all of these products, you'll notice that it's transparent so that you don't get any background color or whatnot. All you get is the shape of the device, and then in the mask area, you see whatever image that you have selected. And those are all of the different shapes. And again, check back often. We continue to add additional shapes. So yeah, check back often. Thank you.